12 to 18-month contract position available. Do you want to join a reputable medium-sized engineering and project management company? Established close to 30 years ago, our clients provide professional project management, engineering and design services. They require your expertise in structural, mechanical and piping construction project management in the mining and metals industry, with smelter furnace experience strongly preferred. Key requirements: national diploma, BTEC or degree in civil, structural, mechanical or electrical engineering. 20 years of experience in EPC, renewable energy, pipelines, heavy concrete works, mining, civil structures and bulk earthworks. SACPCMP, registered as a professional construction manager. EXA, registered as a professional civil engineering technician. And a PMP certification will be advantageous. As a construction manager, you will oversee and direct construction projects from feasibility to completion, including construction planning and execution monitoring. With a strong focus on site safety, you will be responsible for contractor and contract management, overseeing all on and off-site construction activities to monitor compliance with building and safety regulations. Key responsibilities of the role include client liaison, coordinating and directing construction contractors, management of materials, equipment and inventory tracking, daily review of work progress with internal and external reporting on project status, risk analysis, management and mitigation, ensuring quality construction standards and the use of proper construction techniques, adherence to engineering standards as well as quality and cost control. Don't delay, apply now.